Hi, my name's Thomas Hellmans, and I'm a solution director here at GDCA. Today, I wanted to talk to you about something that's very important for people in long life cycle industries such as medical equipment, defense, aerospace, and capital manufacturing. It's called legacy equipment manufacturers, or simply put, LEMs. So, what exactly do LEMs do, and how do they differ from OEMs or the original equipment manufacturers? While OEMs focus on innovation and designing new products to meet future demands and needs, LEMs like GDCA specialize in the manufacturing and support of legacy equipment. Think of the OEM as the creator of a cutting edge technology, but as the technology evolves, some products reach what's known as the end of life due to obsolescence. That's where LEMs step in. They would partner with the OEM to get the information that is required to support the product. OEMs are geared towards innovation with resources dedicated to new technology, planning for markets, active supply chains that are easier to work within. LEMs are strictly set up to support old technologies. That means you have engineering resources, supply chain, and you have operations that are all tuned towards sustaining old products. You might have heard some other LEMs like Rochester, who works with original components, or OnTech, who works with aerospace equipment. At GDCA, though, we focus strictly on computer boards and circuit cards that are critical to many long lifecycle applications. So, who really benefits from LEMs? It's people in long lifecycle industries that have complex systems that are built around circuit cards. That's people in defense, aerospace, rail, medical industry, or capital equipment manufacturing. They build large systems around circuit cards that control their technology and control their systems. And when they have to change it, it can be very challenging. When they can't move to the next technology, they might have to change their software, change the next higher assembly, redo qualification. And this can take a lot of time and a lot of money. That's where LEMs shine. They offer the same part that's form fit functional and is much more cost effective and quicker than going ahead and doing a full tech refresh. At GDCA, we're proud to be a trusted LEM, working closely with all our OEM partners to extend the life in essential technology. If you're facing any challenges with end of life products, or if you're just simply looking to maximize the life cycle of an existing system, visit us at gdca.com to learn more about how we can help. I'm extremely interested in your comments and hope you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And please look out for the next GDCA Explains. Thank you.